He lost his job in a single moment. No warning. No second chance. No time to prepare. One sentence and everything collapsed. "We're letting you go." The room went silent. His mind froze. He nodded slowly, but inside everything was breaking apart. Years of effort, routine, stability. Gone in seconds. He walked out of the building holding a small box. Inside it just a few personal items. But in reality, it felt like he was carrying the remains of his entire life. Outside, the world didn't stop. Cars rushed past, people laughed, phones rang. Life moved on like nothing had happened. But for him, everything had stopped. That night, he sat alone in a dark room. The silence was heavy. Bills were stacked on the table. His phone lit up with notifications, none of them helpful. He stared at the ceiling for hours, his mind trapped in one question. What do I do now? Days passed, then weeks. Every morning felt heavier than the last. He searched for jobs, sent applications, waited, and got nothing but rejection. Emails that all sounded the same, polite, cold, final. "You're not a fit." Each message chipped away at him. His confidence faded, his energy drained, his hope slowly disappeared. One night, sitting in the same silence, something inside him cracked. "I can't keep living like this." For a moment, it felt like the end, but then, a different thought appeared, quiet, small, but powerful. What if this is a chance? He reached for his laptop. Not to search for another job, but to learn something new. At first, it felt strange, unfamiliar, even pointless. A random video. A new skill, something he had never tried before. He didn't know where it would lead, but he started anyway. The first attempts were terrible. He made mistakes. Got frustrated. Almost quit, but he kept going, day after day, night after night. While the world slept, he was learning. No one noticed. No one supported him. No one believed in him. But he didn't stop. Slowly, things began to change. What once felt impossible started to make sense. What once confused him became clearer. And then one day, he created something real. Not perfect, but real. For the first time in months. He smiled. That small moment changed everything. He kept improving. Kept practicing. Kept pushing forward. Weeks turned into months. And then an opportunity appeared. A small project. Then another. Then another. It wasn't much at first, but it was enough. Enough to prove he was moving again. Not stuck, not broken. Just rebuilding. Months later, his life looked completely different. No office, no boss, no fear. He had something better. Control, freedom, purpose. One day, someone asked him, "Do you regret losing your job?" He paused, then smiled. "No, that was the best thing that ever happened to me. Because if he hadn't lost it, he would have never found himself." Somewhere else, another man just lost his job. Same fear, same pain, same uncertainty, but standing in front of him is the same invisible door. The one most people are too afraid to walk through. Because sometimes, what feels like the worst moment of your life is actually the moment your life begins to change. Hard times don't destroy you. They redirect you. Your biggest setback might be your greatest opportunity.